How to redeem Spotify gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can redeem the Spotify gift card online. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start on how we can redeem the Spotify gift card. So let's begin. So in order to redeem a Spotify gift card online, you can go to spotify.com/redeem and log in into your account. You may just open any of your browser and directly go to spotify.com/redeem, and you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen, from where you need to enter the premium code that you have received on your gift card from someone. So while you're scratching your gift card, make sure you're doing it properly, because if you make any of the number wrong, you won't be able to redeem your code and get the gift from your Spotify gift card. So you just need to enter the code from the back of the gift card and click on redeem, and you should be able to get your gift online or redeem your Spotify gift card online. But before redeeming your gift card, you should make sure that your account's country or region settings match where the gift card was purchased. And if you bought your gift card from a retail store, it needs to be activated by the cashier first of all. And also you need to make sure you have registered for a Spotify account at the given address that is shown on my screen right now. That is spotify.com/signup. After that, accept the Spotify terms and conditions of use, and just go on with the process of redeeming your gift card. Otherwise, there are also some tips that you need to keep in mind about Spotify gift cards. Like, the Spotify gift card are only single use. You can use the promo code for only one time, so make sure to use it wisely. And the thing is, they don't expire, and there are no inactivity or service fee when you are using the redeeming code, or you may have purchased it from anywhere, and they are valid for 3 years from the date of purchase. If you enter the wrong characters, you'll get an error message after 4 attempts, and you can also try it again after 24 hours. So therefore, just follow this method and keep this thing in mind, and you should be able to redeem a Spotify gift card online. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.